Hi guys, there's a new extreme demon named Jigsaw, so let's beat it. So far so good, but we're just in time for fun. But anyways, then say this. RTX is on. I go to Jigsaw. Face your fears. Oh, it's making me shiver while your loved ones. Well, what is this level? What is just this level? Your chance. What is it? Time to let go. Oh my god, this level is so cursed, bro. It's the most cursed level ever. Blee? Why Blee? Feel what I feel. Oh my god. Skeletons in the background. Save as I save. Oh my god, what is this? Game over. That was easy. That was easy. Guys, thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe. See you in the next video. That was so easy. Bye.